Welcome to step-by-step training to configure and operate Smart Communication Card, SCC. This training is divided into 6 chapters, starting with an introduction, followed by a list of documents, tools and softwares. IT and OT are converging rapidly. Customers are looking for devices which can connect their data from the field to the cloud, and at the same time, can perform logics. Smart Communication Card is an IT/OT device to enable connecting your machines and processes to cloud-based portals, and at the same time, perform control logic using Node-RED. Configuring the SCC with devices implies first of all physical connections. Ensure that the Ethernet address of your computer is set to the correct range. The SCC enables your devices to connect to cloud-based portals. Using the standard OPC UA protocol, the Smart Communication Card provides seamless integration of contactors to the cloud via Novalink. In addition, Modbus RTU and Modbus TCP provide connectivity to your devices. A web server-based configurator is used to set up the SCC and devices. In case of IT cooperate compliant secure access and cloud-based system, Smart Communication Card supports HTTPS, MQTT, OPC UA to third-party platforms. In case of local industrial LAN Smart Communication Card with Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP OPC UA. What are the benefits? Optimized interface, improved safety and protection, space saving, easy installation and much more. Digitalization is not the future. It is already here. Smart Communication Card. A piece of cloud for everyone.